back again with another Game Day collab with Ian Good, Cooking with Neighbors, Jerri-Ellen. Hey, and we got some special guests this week. We got Flour, Eggs, and Yeast, and Create with Linda. So yeah, we're gonna start off with this onion. And we just simply gonna dice this up. Now, if you don't know Ian Good, you need to go check his channel out, y'all. He be doing his thing. Cook, garden, Stelly. Great channel, y'all. Great channel. And Flour, Egg, and Yeast. Oh my goodness. You gotta at least go get buzzed with Cuz. Gotta take you a drink. That's my favorite show right there. But anyway, after we get our onions diced up, time to turn our attention to our pineapple. Now this is gonna be a beautiful salsa for these here tacos. Oh my goodness. Cause you know them Steelers playing them what? Seattle Seahawks, y'all. And you know what they famous for. They love them salmon and some seafood out there, so we had to make some salmon tacos. So we're gonna have to get this pineapple chopped up really well. Now I thought about using a food processor to do this, but I was like, nah, it's gonna mess around, have it too thin. But thinking about it, don't forget to check out my girl, Cooking with Neighbors, Jerri-Ellen. Now look her, she's doing this Crocktober thing. Hey, she's got some crock pot recipes for you, y'all. I'm telling you, put it in, go to work, come home, you ready to eat. But anyway, after we get done with that part, let's go ahead and turn our attention to our tomato. Now this is one of my fresh garden tomatoes. And look how beautiful that tomato is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And we simply just gonna dice this up. Gonna try to get it pretty small. You ain't gotta have it perfect. You know, we just making saucy, y'all. Don't make it hard on yourself. You know, I just like to dice mine up just like this. You know, cause these tomatoes are so sweet and juicy. I'm telling you, they're gonna bring the flavor, y'all. They're gonna bring the flavor. And of course, we gotta have some cilantro in our sauce. Got to have that cilantro. Now, if you don't like cilantro, because I heard that some people say it tastes like soap, don't taste like soap to me, so I love it. But if you don't like it, feel free to use you some parsley, y'all. Feel free to use you some parsley. So yeah, we want to get that chopped really well. And we ready to add it to our pineapples and onions. So let's get it in there. Now also on the card today is gonna be Create with Linda. Now I'm new to her channel, but she seems like she does some really great things over there. I done watched a few videos this weekend on her, and hey, she doing her thing. But anyway, after that, let's put some lemon juice in here. Now you can use a whole lemon or a whole lime, whichever way you do it. It's gonna be tasty, y'all. It's gonna be tasty. And then we're gonna use maybe a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And we're gonna give that a stir. Now you wanna salt and pepper this to taste, of course. Now once we get all this mixed up and blended in really good together. We just gonna get the top on this and set it on in that refrigerator, y'all. Now I got some of this rub here that I like, this Thai chili rub by Weber. It's pretty tasty, y'all. It's pretty tasty. So we gonna put this on kind of heavy. Has little to no salt in it. Well, not no salt, but it has little salt in it, so you can put it on heavy, y'all. Get that flavor all through there. Now on the skin side, the season didn't really want to adhere to it that well, so we're gonna hit it with a little extra virgin olive oil and season it up some more, y'all. Season it up some more. After we get that side, we're gonna hit this side up a little bit more. And oh my goodness, might as well hit this side up with a little olive oil too. Oh yeah, change on the fly. Let's soak up some of this seasoning on this cutting board too, y'all. Oh yeah, we know this gonna be tasty. Now I got me 2 tablespoons of olive oil in this cast iron skillet, and we gonna get our salmon in there, skin side down first. Cause you know, I like that crispy skin, y'all. Got to have that crispy skin. Now, once we get to the point where that, when we give our pan a shake like that, and that salmon just move, we know that side is ready. That skin is gonna be crisp, and we know we good, y'all. Just flip them on over. Flip it, flip. Flip it, flip. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. Gotta get that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Now, once our salmon is done, let's go ahead and get them on out that pan. Now, I like my salmon medium. Now, you can cook yours a little bit longer if that's what you like. So after our salmon cooled, I shredded it up and got it on our tortilla. And you know what comes next? That beautiful salsa that we made. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now this salsa was good on chips and all kinds of things, y'all. It really was. And then we gonna add us some fresh avocado on top. And check it. Last week, you know my Steelers won, y'all. You know my Steelers won. And they gonna win again this week. We gonna get them Seattle boys. I can't do it like my boy Ian Good, cause he'll tell you exactly what the score gonna be. But guess what? We gonna get them, y'all. We gonna get them. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.